this is our current situation. Our skin is not skinning because nag-break out ako ng malala since nag-start ako work. Maybe because na-stress ako. Na-stress ako kasi siguro yung shift from being like stay-at-home daughter to a full-time pharmacist, hindi kinaya ng skin ko, so nag-break out siya ng ganyan kalala. But anyways, let's do my skincare before makeup. I did my brows off-cam kasi hindi nyo kakayanin ang kapangitan ko without my brows. So yeah. Also, don't mind my hands. I got stung by a jellyfish nung nag-patnanungan kami. Yeah. Don't forget your sunscreen. So, done with skincare, let's move on to makeup and let's hide this thing. It's a mess. Concealer. Let's add more. I'm just gonna fix my eyebrows. Just this black. Guys, let me know if maganda yung like parang hindi ko alam yung tawag doon. Yung parang tattoo brows. Kasi matagal ko na siyang gustong i-try. I just don't know if it's maganda or hindi. So let me know. I'm using this for like baking kasi my brush, I don't wanna show it, but I show it. My brush is Sirana. Whatever. Okay. While that is baking. Chopstick. For my lips, I'm gonna be using this. And I think we're done. That's how I do my makeup. So, that's it.
list moments, and I want to soak it all in. There's like a place with Tristan because
Hey guys, today we are finally getting a vlogging camera. So we're currently on our way to SM North. I'm with my boyfriend by the way. But first, let me do my derma session. So this is me having my under eye treatment. And now we are off to the DJI store. I've been wanting to buy my camera here for so long, and I actually wanted the Pocket 2 camera, but Kuya budled us to get the action camera instead, since it has a lot of amazing features, and also the Pocket 2 is a bit sensitive, especially for me as a clumsy girl, hindi siya pwede. So now we're just setting up this camera. Look how cool it is, guys. It connects to my phone instantly. So yeah, I secured the goods and I got it.
Hey guys, so as you can see, ang dami nating parcel dito, which inipon ko talaga to unbox with you guys because we're going somewhere. We're gonna have like a travel trip, ganon. And ayun, nag-ipon lang ako ng mga stuff na gagamitin ko for that specific trip. So yeah, let's unbox it. For sure naman, I'm gonna make like a video or a vlog, hopefully a vlog of that trip so you guys can watch it also. So yeah, let's open this. First, let's open this. My first ever gentlewoman. Ta-da! I bought myself a tote bag. I've been seeing this, like, super dami nito sa TikTok. Ayun, nabudol ako and gusto ko siyang gamitin sa trip namin. So, yeah, I bought it. Tada! Yay! Next, this is from Shopee. Tada! It's slippers, chunky sandals. Tada! It's like a chunky sandals. Next, another item from Shopee. It's my iPad case kasi yung case ko, yung with keypad, with keyboard, and medyo nasisira na siya. So I bought like another iPad case. Next, also from Shopee. Ta-da! Ito yung nilalagay na sa tote bag. So let's try. It's like this. I bought the large one kasi yung tote bag, yung gentlewoman, di ba malaki siya? So, make sure na ako to get the large one para mag-fit siya dun sa tote bag. This, may zipper siya unlike the usual. Yung iba kasi, they don't have zipper. Eh, yung tote bag na gentlewoman, di ba wala siyang zipper? So, ayun, I really opt to para secured yung items ko. Let's try it. Yes. Tada! Perfect fit. Yay! Parang nabigyan niya ng like structure yung bag. Diba? Last, but definitely not the least, I bought myself some items sa Shein. This is not sponsored. Pero as you all know, I've been working with Shein for almost 1.5 years na. So I have this discount code. It's Angel D for 15% off. You can use it every time you buy sa app na. So yeah, let's open it. I bought 3 swimsuits. So may idea na kayo. Sa beach kami pupunta. But first, let's open this. They're like hair cloths na nakita ko rin from Juliana. Pinafollow ko siya. Sobrang love ko ng contents niya. From TikTok and YouTube. Also in Instagram. Super love ko siya. Feeling ko nga na-influence na niya sa mga like girly stuff. Because I don't usually buy yung mga gandang gamit. Kasi I'm more on like neutral stuff. Like plain and yung mga simpleng lang, a design when it comes to like sa clothing, sa mga gamit ko personally. I don't buy like girly, mga gandang colorful stuff, but now na-influence nila ako. Yeah, also Stephanie consumption. Yes. Anyways, like this blue, purple or violet, and pink, and yellow. This one's my favorite. Yay! Cute. So the 3 swimsuits. First, of course, hindi mawawala ang neutral, like a brown swimsuit. So this is the first set. Fun fact. It's not fun, actually. First time ko ito bumili sa Shein with my own money. Like, no joke. First time ko itong bumili ng item from the app na pera ko. Kasi, ayun nga, pinapadala nila ako ng gamit. So, yeah. Mas nahirapan pa ako mamili. Anyways, this is again the first set. It's just like the usual brown triangle swimsuit. Ito yung bottoms niya. Yeah. Next, a pink swimsuit that I don't usually wear. Hindi ko alam. But for some reason talaga, nagustuhan ko na ang baby pink. Na-influence talaga ako sa TikTok ng mga pina-follow ko. But yeah, this is the top. Masyado siyang malaki sa akin. This is the bottoms. Pink. That's that. Cute. I'm excited to wear this. Last. So parang triangle siya, pero may ganito lang siya. Like a circle here. Tapos meron. Cute. This is me. This is not me. But I'm excited. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna see you on the next one. It's gonna be a travel vlog. Hopefully I'm gonna upload. Hopefully hindi ako mahiyang mag-vlog outside. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
'Cause